Olloclip started manufacturing special lenses for smartphone cameras 7 years ago, and an initial kit for iPhone 4 became a business. Many new lenses and photography accessories have followed, usually in tandem with a new iPhone. But even when Olloclip ventured out of Apple's bubble, its products have always been device-specific. That changes with the recently announced and striking multi-device clip, which by itself is a simple mount that you can hang around any phone, Apple or others. It is in this assembly where you insert any of the Connect X lenses of the company, originally developed specifically for the iPhone X. Because it is basically a plastic lamp with springs and elastic pads to provide grip and avoid scratching, the clip can place a lens on the back or front camera. In the same way, it will work with any phone or tablet and will be adjusted in any case, provided that the total thickness is 12 mm, around half an inch or less. That's how it's supposed to work, anyway, but we had trouble fitting a lens comfortably on the OnePlus 6's rear camera because there's not enough depth for the clip. Even so, if your phone is your entry camera and does not have something elegant like a Huawei P20 Pro, this will allow you to install your Instagame without changing the device completely.